Hi guys, Grace here. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove tomato paste from a can. So what you need to do is, of course, you'll need a can opener. You are going to open both ends. Okay? The secret here is to open both ends and make sure that the lid is really cut through. Going to the other end. Going to the other end. There we go. Just want to make sure that it is cut through. Next thing, now that we have both ends opened, what you're going to do is you're just gonna push it. Push, 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 push. As I push, see what happens? I'm pushing it. Just remove this, because you don't need that, right? Remove the lid. Now it's push, 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 push. Ta-da! See how clean that is? See how clean that is? Nothing. Empty. Now there you have it, guys. The easiest way to remove tomato paste in a can. All right, I hope you all learned something from this video today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.